Robert's outside getting our inspection for us. We're back out here, out at the O'Neill Forebay, round 2. And we actually brought somebody with us. Remember how we said, hey, hit us up if you want to go fishing? This guy hit us up. So we brought the kid, 17-year-old kid, hit us up. Justin, how you feel, man?
Good.
Ready to go? Ready to do some fishing?
Yeah.
Let's get it. Hopefully we can get him on some boils again. Hopefully it's as popping as the last trip. So we'll find out right now. Let's get it. All right. Forebay time. Y'all ready?
We're ready.
You ready?
Yeah.
Let's get it. How many fish you think today, Ro?
Today, I'm gonna say we're gonna get about 6 each at least.
What do you say, Justin? How many do you think you're doing cast today?
Hopefully a lot.
I'm thinking combined 30 plus today. Let's get it. So I was just making fun of Robert because Robert was talking about, oh, he forgot his fishing gloves. Like, how lame is that? But then I just forgot my glasses. They're in the Jeep. I don't want to go back. We're trying to see what's more important. Fishing gloves that don't even go over your fingers, or glasses, that polarized glasses.
The gloves, because I don't want to get cancer. You can still see without your glasses.
What do you think, Justin? Gloves or glasses?
I think sunglasses.
There you go. You heard it here first, people. Let's get it.
He's gonna get smacked.
I know. I feel his lure's about to get smacked. I'm getting the camera ready too. You can get hit right here. That's the scariest type of bites, when you get hit right at the boat. Oh, there we go. Straight ahead. Here we go. Fish on. Oh, a little baby striper, but hey.
There's a boil over there.
Here's a little baby striper. All right, here we go. Oh, right in front of me. Right here. Hey, throw right here. Justin, literally like 5 feet in front of me. Got a little shaker, striper for the get. Let me get those pliers right there. Should have been some pliers, yeah.
What's in hands, bro?
All right, first one of the day. A little dink shaker, but hey. It's a good looking one though. Check that out. Go call your mama.
Right there. He's like, where is it? Right there. I got a little shaker too, guys. We're in the little ones. We got to find the big ones.
Oh, it's gonna get popping. Go that in faster. You got weeds all on it.
You done? Knew I should have brought my gloves.
I'm gonna take a picture first. Turn it sideways.
But see, guys, this is why I should have brought my gloves. Look at that. If I had my gloves, I would have had a bigger fish.
Oh, there they go. There they go. I see them. All right, reel in, guys. Oh, yeah, they're going. Same boil. Let's go.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, there we are. Here we go.
Get yours out there, Justin. Are you on 100? Because I feel like we're going to
Fish on. Let's go. Let's go. I'm on 100, by the way. Oh, I got off. It got off. Oh, no, it didn't. It was just swimming at me. Here we go. Oh, hold on. Hold on just a minute. Here we go. Let's go. Double up, bro.
Double up. Come on, Justin, get one. This is you, Justin.
Let's go.
Burn it in. That means roll it fast. Come on, Justin. Triple up. Let's get a triple.
Here. Move, Robert. Keep him. Let's go.
Mine is, damn, he got me. That's why I need my gloves, man. There it is. Probably got one more cast in this one. One more fish. Cast it out to your, go to the front, Justin. And just cast it right out.
Let's go. Let's go.
They were right here in all this weeds right there, so. Oh, fish on.
All right, here we go.
Told you, throw a swim bait on, Justin. All you do is reel it in real slow. It's like little baby one.
But hey, at least Justin, get on one of them at least.
Come on, Justin, you gotta get one.
Justin, we can't bring you all this way, and you not casting. You know your dad's not gonna let you forget this, and you know we're not gonna let you not forget this either. We're gonna make fun of you the whole time. You asked to come out. If you couldn't keep up with the big boy, you should have stayed at the house. We could have brought your sister.
There you go. There you go. Lift your rod up. Lift it up.
Just in case. All right, skunk is out the boat. Look at this kid. All right, drove all this way, finally got one. Let's go. Let me see.
Fish on.
And Robert just got one. Here we go.
I'm telling you, these swim baits are the way to go.
Let's go.
I threw one on for him.
Let's go. Oh, that was a fighter. Little baby shaker.
But he's a fighter.
Look at that, double ups.
Double up.
Hold on, just I was gonna say let's take a picture of yours, but all good.
We'll take a picture of the next one.
Yeah, let's go.
That ain't the last one you're gonna catch. Make sure your swim bait's on right.
Well, that one bit on like 2 or 3 times.
Another one. Joe, put a swim bait on.
Dude, that's good casting and shit.
Today we're getting a bunch of little ones, huh? Mm-hmm. It's all right.
Well,
oh, that's a. Yeah, that was a big wake right there. There's a big one right there.
Definitely still fun.
Bro, if you keep shaking, I'm not gonna get you off.
All right, Justin is on again, finally.
Oh, my bad, bro. I almost knocked Joe out.
Let's go. Let's see if this one got some size to him. Oh, it's just another little shaker. But
it's cool, it's cool.
Look at Justin, finally.
There we go.
Let's go. Here we go.
Justin, so what did you change?
My bait.
He's now throwing a swim bait. Lip him. All right. Atta kid, let's go. We're on him now. That's like 5 in a row in like the last minute. Let's go. If you need help, raise your hand, okay?
Well, I
You want some pliers?
from the outside.
Let's get some pliers.
No, another head shaker. Well, I think that's number 6, so I hit my quota that I thought we would get, 6 each. I know you probably can't even see this because GoPro does not shoot good in low light, but dang it.
I promise you it's there.
Let's roll it here, guys. It's not the same one. They all look the same, but it's not the same one. See it? Okay.